If a packet containing a dozen glasses is dropped, which of the following cannot be the ratio of broken glasses to unbroken glasses? Now, dozen glasses, that means 12 glasses are dropped. Now, we have to find the ratio of broken glasses to unbroken glasses. Now, the addition of broken glasses and unbroken glasses will obviously be equal to 12. So, the ratio of broken glasses to unbroken glasses must be equal to a factor of 12. Now, let's check this ratio. So, 3 is to 1, option A is 4. Now, 4 is a factor of 12. So, therefore, we can say that it is possible. Option B, 6 is to 1. So 6 plus 1, it is 7. Now 7 is not a factor of 12. So this is not possible. Option C, 4 is to 2. So addition is 4 plus 2, that is 6. 6 is a factor of 12. So therefore it is possible. Last option D, 5 is to 7. Addition is 12. 12 is also a factor of 12. So therefore this is also possible. So the only option which is not possible, which cannot be the ratio of broken glasses to unbroken glasses, is option B.